Days after Wayanad was hit by a devastating landslide, youth organizations of various political parties protested outside the regional branch office of Kerala Gramin Bank in Kalpetta after claims were being made that the bank deducted EMIs from the relief money given to landslide survivors. In fact, according to the protesters, the bank withdrew 2,000 from the 10,000 given by the state government as immediate relief to those affected by landslides. The protesters are demanding an immediate refund of the deducted amount and also have demanded the bank to stop collecting EMIs from survivors. The move also goes against the government's recommendation to banks not to insist on loan repayment by landslide survivors. In fact, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has also called a meeting with the state-level bankers committee and also requested the banks to write off the loans of the people of Mundakai and Churalmala areas of Wayanad that were some of the worst hit by the disaster. Jayalakshmi joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Jayalakshmi, it's a very absurd update coming in from Kerala right now. The fact that the banks are now trying to extract EMI, extract the loan amount from the relief that is given to the survivors. In fact, these are people that have lost their houses, they've lost their families, they've lost everything that they held dear. And now the banks are trying to ensure that they squeeze out every bit of EMI that they can.
Yes, certainly. But, fortunately, the Kerala Bank Association has, clarified the fact that this was a very unfortunate incident that happened. And that was again due to technical errors because of, the branches because the branches which are not functional in the landslide affected area like Churalmala or Mundakai, these places have been affected by the landslide and hence the banks there are not functional as of now. There was a technical error and that is how the EMIs, as soon as the state government had released the relief fund, the EMIs were taken. But according, in fact, bank committee has clarified that according to the committee, 3 people had been affected by this and the money that has been debited from their accounts has been credited back again into their account, and that they have ensured that such incidents will not happen again. And further, they have also, in today's meeting with the Kerala Bank Association Bank Committee convened a meeting with the presence of Honorable CM Pinarayi Vijayan, and they had, in fact, Chief Minister had requested the entire committee and the banks to, waive off all the loans of the people who have been affected in this landslide. And the committee has clarified that they have proceeded this request to the bank
like you rightly pointed out,
well.
better sense has prevailed here. The fact that they were trying to, in fact, extract the loan amount from the survivors. The banks and, of course, the Kerala government has now intervened, and at least for a while now, the loans that the survivors of this landslide had to pay, that is being put on hold as well, thankfully, because now the fact that they're trying to collect the EMI amounts from the relief amount that is given to survivors, it's an absolutely disgraceful update that we were getting from Kerala, right?